And I am very happy to stay here with you. I am going to present a part to my PhD thesis work. So his name is Identification of Molecular Markers Associated with Sexual Expression in Ceratosomia mexicana. This is the content, introduction, exposition of the problem, antecedents, objective, methods, results, conclusions, bibliography, and unnoted events. There are different reproductive systems in the vegetable kingdom. Dioicism, hermaphroditism, monocism, compound species. Nearly 15,000 species of plants are dioecious, which represents as much as 6% of the vegetable kingdom. This system is present in a great number of vegetable species, of which one of the most important classes is the Samiaceae family. The sex determination in dioecious plants has been sparsely investigated, including the cycles. Several species of the Samiaceae family exist in the state of Veracruz, among them Ceratosomia mexicana bronco. This species is an endemic cycad of Mexico. The adults can live more than 100 years, which has given rise to increased commercialization in the last few years. Exposition of the problem. Ceratosomia mexicana is listed as a potentially endangered species, making the implementation of strategies for its handling in viable form necessary. While the sex determination mechanisms are unknown, they have a long life cycle across hundreds of years. The reproductive structures and adults appear between the age 20 to 30 years. The natural population of Ceratosomia mexicana located in Coahuiltla, Veracruz. It is being affected by change of the use of the surrounding territory, illegal extraction of youth and adult individuals for its commercialization, and the elimination of individuals during the extraction of surrounding trees. Antecedents. On the other hand, molecular markers as RFP rates, as SR, IFNPs, and ISSR have turned out to be a very useful tool for the study of reproductive biology and early identification of sex in numerous vegetable species. These are some recent studies for sex identification in cycads, but all names are with rates. Surya Prakash identified a band of 150 pp that were present in the 38 female individuals. Gamma-Palladiae detected a species fragment in the males, 886 pp, and another one in the females, 2048. More recently,